I don't know what to do. My phone doesn't recognize me.
Make fun of you.
I'm really excited for today's video because I'll be trying out fake bangs or wigs that have bangs or just straight up bangs. I've always wanted bangs in my adulthood. I've had bangs when I was a child. Thought it was cute. But I feel like I can't rock bangs because my forehead is so tiny. I just feel like I don't know, it's gonna look awkward on me. So if you wanted bangs in your life, but you were scared to chop off your hair, first let's try on some fake ones and see if we can rock them, like myself. So I picked up 4 different styles. I got them all on Amazon. They were all pretty inexpensive. I'd say under $30. So I have 3 sets of different actual bangs styles, and then I got 1 wig with bangs cut in. So I want to see like the full, effect. So let's try them on. Who thinks I'm gonna look good with bangs? Nah. So this one, they're basically used it as kind of like a side fringe, very side fringe. And on the inside you have the hair net, and then you have the clips right here that you can clip into your head. All right, so do we want the fringe to be, how do we want the fringe to be? Right, like this? Or do we want it to be like this? I think maybe this way, yeah? Let's part my hair. Okay, I honestly have no idea how far I need to place these bangs. I already failed. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I think that was it. Split it somehow right here. Am I doing it wrong? I'm totally doing this wrong. Maybe I should have went on this side. I don't know what I'm doing. This is such a fail. How am I supposed to do this? Let's try this again. I just don't know how to do this. So we'll just place it right down the center. Try to clip it in. I've never had side bangs, like I said, because I don't think they look good on me. Just any type of bangs in general. That's kind of it, right? You can obviously fix it with some, like a hair straightener. I feel like this hair is a little bit too long, so I think I'd want to cut it. But you know what? Let's put a headband. I'm gonna try to make this work.
And I mean, you did make a video on how to match the colors.
Oh yeah, I could totally just put some purple shampoo in this and it would match my hair. Probably a couple of times. All right, what do we think? Like a nice, really thick, full fringe. I don't like that I can't see all of my eyebrow.
I feel like this is what girls in music videos and country songs look like.
No.
No?
No. Yeah, I don't like the bangs on me because of my forehead. It's so tiny. Like I would have to, yeah. I just don't prefer bangs on me. But you know what? This is really fun to see the different styled bangs. You know, if you want like a nice full fringe, like how short would you want to cut it? And just like really play with your hair and hair type. This is a great idea. That way you don't have to spend, time crying after you actually pull the plug or make the plunge and actually cut your hair and then hate it, Things I can also part it right in the center and make like this type of a fringe, What do we think of this style? I literally look like I have curtains on my head.
Yeah, from like one of those fairy tale princess.
If I just don't want anybody to bother me, just do this. But yeah, I could honestly wear this with my hair color just because it does have a little bit of highlights happening with this. Just put a little bit of purple shampoo in the hair, let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Obviously watch it and then it would match my hair color pretty well, honestly. Babe, do you like this style? Where it's more of like a fringe and it's not like actual like straight up bangs. All right. Try the next one. Okay, so this one is like the full-on fringe, and I could maybe get away with wearing this. Also, maybe put a little bit of purple shampoo, but the thing is, this is all one color. There's no highlights in here, so this one would be a little bit harder to blend with my hair. So it has the 2 clips,
This reminds me of that, what's that one singer that has bangs? The famous one.
Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
You know what's funny? My phone doesn't recognize me at all.
Not enough of a forehead?
Not enough for the forehead. You guys, this is great. If you're trying to hide from someone, just put on some fake bangs.
Alright, Paz, let us look at you. Let us look at you and make fun of you.
You're so rude. Honestly, these are pretty good quality for the price. I think they kind of cut them a little bit too wide, just because I don't think bangs are they usually that wide? I feel like these side fringes, they start way too far back. Like, look where far the bangs go. Like, I would think...
Maybe, yeah, push the other hair behind your ears, maybe.
This makes it worse.
That's
Yeah,
it?
I would not want bangs all the way basically to...
Why not?
all the way out here.
Yeah.
I'd want the bangs to end like at the end of my eyebrows and then the fringe would start. I feel like that's way too far, right? Babe.
I tell you what, it makes you look younger.
Bangs?
Yeah.
No way. Really?
Yeah, it makes you look like a 5-year-old.
Ew. Ew. That's not.
Are bangs supposed to make people look older or younger?
I feel like bangs make people look younger.
Younger?
Yeah.
Is that why people go for them?
I don't know. I just think they're just so different that, you know, if somebody really wants a change, I think that's what people usually go for, and that's what usually they regret are bangs. So this one only has one clip. This one is very similar, but I feel like the fringe is a bit longer. Maybe that's just because it's not as wavy, or this one I feel like has more of a wave to it, right?
They look fuller.
Yeah, these ones look a lot fuller. This one looks very thin. They have the clip on backwards. Oh no, babe. Oh no, no. Oh, I don't like this one. I don't like the clip. Oh no, babe, honey. I'm gonna like rip my hair out. Okay, I'm not gonna do this one. Cause this one was exact same, fuller, and the clip is much better on this one because you have two and this one only has one, and it's facing the other way so it gets stuck in your hair instead of just getting clipped into your hair. It's pulling out the hair. All right, last but not least, wig. I'm excited for the wig. The wig is $18.99, and this one has over 2,100 reviews, and there are different styles. So let's put this on. I'm gonna keep my hair down for the wig. Let's try this out. Make sure the bangs are in the front. Honey, are you into bangs?
I'm gonna say this is gonna make you look so...
What?
super attractive.
Andre likes when I play with wigs. That was awesome. Okay. Whew. Let's clean up the hair. And I could also make this wig work with my hair, honestly.
Why do I feel like you belong in a music video with this type of hair?
In a music video?
Yeah.
What type of a music video?
Pop.
Pop?
Yeah. Probably because of Taylor Swift, because she's the bang queen, right?
I don't know. Does she have bangs right now?
I don't know, but that's what I always imagine when I hear Taylor Swift. I just imagine bangs.
What do you think?
It was very retro.
Obviously this wig is not secured and it's not really tight on my head because I just want to see what it looks like with my hair underneath. My hair looks a little bit cooler, like cooler toned. So I could just wash this wig with some purple shampoo like I would the clip-in bangs, and I think this would actually work with my hair underneath. You know what I mean? Just to give my hair like volume, and then really kind of secure the wig on top if I were to wear this. What do we think of bangs?
I think it kind of makes you look younger.
I mean, I don't think I would ever actually pull the plug and cut my bangs just because I don't like that my eyebrows are hidden. I don't know. I'm just not liking it on myself. I think I would be that person that would cry right away as soon as the scissor would go across and cut the hair. Oh, I would not be happy with that. I mean,
I think this wig is kind of looks alright.
This wig is actually pretty good quality, especially for the price. I like the curl. It's not the softest wig, but the color is actually pretty nice. And like I said, they do have other styles, but for under 20 bucks, I mean, that's pretty dang good. Let me try to hold him and see if he recognizes me. What do you think of mommy's new hairdo? Kind of likes it. He smiled and he looked away.
Nope, now he's like, nope.
Nope.
I like you far away.
He likes me from far away. See, that's how I feel. I feel like I would like this look from far away. But then, you know, if I actually got it, I don't think I would enjoy it as much. I think it's fun, but I feel like for myself with bangs, it's just a one type of look, you know what I mean? Because if you kind of like part it in the center, I don't know. I was never like the biggest fan of bangs. I like bangs in other people, but on myself, it was always, you know, like I can't pull it off. I don't like it. I feel like they're a little bit too, what's that word? Too finicky. You know what I mean? You always have to trim them to make sure they look good. You have to style them. Or am I wrong? I feel like they're a little too finicky.
All right. So, does this remind you of childhood?
No.
You don't remember your bangs?
I don't remember my bangs at all.
No.
Like at all.
We're gonna have to show them a picture and see how
How it compares.
how it compares.
See, I think I blocked that memory from my mind because I didn't like the bangs. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I think this is great for those that are considering getting bangs, considering even like cutting your hair this length to see if you like it. There's some pretty cool clip-in bang options online, especially on Amazon Prime shipping. There's several options, but the thing is, you might not get the perfect shade, the perfect tone. So like I said, if you're blonde, you can definitely use purple shampoo. That's basically what I do even with extensions to match to my hair type, to my hair tone. So if you were to wear these out, I would maybe use like a headband, scarf to kind of make sure you hide where the clip-in goes, the clip-in part, so there's no crazy transition on your hair, on your head. So yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with a lot of this quality. Like some of these are super soft. But yeah, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye.